Well, they came finally. Open them up and see what they look like. SS5s. All right, so I got two of these SS5s. These like splitter deals, and two of these 2-pin to 4-pin Deutsch connectors, so that way I can do the backlight thing, even though I'm not going to use the backlight. Let's see what they look like. I don't know how long ago I ordered these things. Ooh. So these are the SS5 Sports in the spot green. They look pretty sweet. Damn, they're pretty big. Into the light here. Neat. All right, well, I plan on putting them on the pillars where my other SS3s are. We'll see what that turns out like. I got the first one hooked up. Well, not hooked up, but attached. Just kind of give you a comparison for how big they are compared to the old one before I take it off. This is this SS3 Pro. And then the SS5 over here. A little bit bigger. See how much noise it makes, and if I lose any MPGs, I doubt it, but whatever. This thing already sucks. But, all right, I'll get the other one hooked up. They work. Pretty freaking bright. It's daytime still. I haven't tried it at night yet, but so I had to go. I had 2-pin Deutsch connectors down here, and then they go to 4-pin for the lights. So I got this converter, and then I can hook up this little spare lead up to another switch to do the whole backlight thing, which I probably won't do anyway. I'll put a zip time up somewhere. But what I think I might do in the future is take these other ones here, and I've seen people kind of go like that and kind of have all 4 of them, which would be, I don't know, probably a little excessive, but I don't know what the heck else I'm going to do. I don't know really have room for them anywhere else. I got those full there, and then the bar there, and then I don't know, maybe at the back. I got 2 in the back too though, so I don't know, my FU lights pretty much. But I don't know. Figure it out. But they're all wired up to these switches up here. So, yeah. I don't know. We'll wait till it gets dark and then kind of show you how bright they are, I guess. I already tell you they're going to be brighter than heck. So, alright. Thanks. Well, got those kind of mounted up like that now. See if I can get the plugs to jump across right, but I don't know. Seems kind of like a lot. So here's the stock headlights, low beams, and SS5s.